To E-Class at Kadaria, the topic being safe. So today I am going to teach the topic being safe. Pros 8th standard term 1. So everybody right to be safe. So now what is mean by safety? So safety is nothing but we are protecting ourselves from danger. So we have to be safe at the school, at home, at workplace and everywhere. So now this lesson deals about safety awareness. So now let us move to the lesson. Let's read the pros being safe. So Prashant lives with parents in Tiruchirappalli. So in summer he always visits his grandparents in Nagatti. So a river island in Tanjavur district. So the river water bifurcates into two and merges again and forms this village. So what is mean by bifurcates? So the river divided into two separate parts. So he always spent. So the village is evergreen with mighty trees and beautiful landscapes. So he always spent his vacation here hanging out with his grandparents and his friends. So his grandfather was a retired central government employee. So he has travelled to many parts of India. So his knowledge always amuses him. So Prashant has just come to his grandparents. So this news reaches his friends and they have to take him out for playing. So grandfather is very concerned. He gives some instruction and tips for their safety. So Sundar. So who is Sundar? Sundar is Prashant's friend. So good afternoon, Grandpa. Where is Prashant? So Grandpa is telling, good afternoon children. Ravi. So Ravi is telling, can we take him out to play in the field, Grandpa? So Grandpa is telling, of course children. But you should be very careful while playing, while walking in the roads and crossing it. So, Grandpa is telling, of course children, but you should be very careful while walking in the roads and crossing it. So, Peter. So, who is Peter? So, Prashant friend is Peter. So, yes Grandpa, our teacher had taught us rules of road safety. So, we always follow them strictly. So Grandpa said, good. When you walk on the road, which side of the road you should walk? So Joffer is telling, Grandpa, we should walk on our right hand side against the traffic so that we can see the vehicle coming. So Grandpa, good. I am sure you know how to cross the road. Yes, Grandpa. Mani is telling, yes Grandpa, we should wait until the road is clear of traffic. So, we should first look right, left and then again right before we cross the road. So, Gandhi is telling, Gandhi is Prashant's friend. So, Grandpa, we will also walk in the line one behind another and not in groups. So Grandpa is telling, good, and never used to the cell phone while walking on the road. So road safety rules are for our safety. So we should follow it strictly. So next we will go into the part 2. Prashant. So Prashant telling his friends, hi friends, Murthy. So who is Murthy? Prashant friend. So hi, Murthy is telling, hi, we have come here to play under the shade of this big neem tree. So Grandpa is telling, yes kids, you need to be very careful as the sun is scorching. So what is mean by scorching? Extremely hot. So Mani is telling, my mother has instructed me not to be roam in sunlight between 10 AM and 3 PM as it is very hot. So grandpa is telling that's true. But you also need more physical activities. Hence, play safely in the sun. So take breaks by going indoors and moving to place with shade. Sam. So who is Sam? Prashant's friend. So Sam is telling, can we put on sunscreen before going out in the sun? So grandpa is telling, yes, you need to put on the sunscreen 15 to 20 minutes before going out to avoid the sunburn. And Prashant. Next, Prashant is telling, grandpa, I am feeling exhausted. So exhausted, what is the meaning of exhausted? Feeling tired. So grandpa is telling, oh, it may be due to the heat. So when the body cannot cool itself fast enough, so we may eat sunstroke. So what is meant by sunstroke? So unconscious. So the heat stroke brought about by excessive exposure to the sun. So grandpa is telling, be sure to tell an adult if you are feeling hot, have a headache, feeling giddy or nauseated. So what is meant by giddy? Having a sensation of falling down. So what is meant by nauseated? Sickening. So Joffer is telling, I like to play outdoor game and indoor games once. So grandpa is telling, that's really nice, but the big part of going outside, playing in safe environment comes from knowing. So how to be a street smart. So what is meant by street smart? The knowledge to be with difficulties and dangers. So next we will go into the third part. So Ravi is talking with his friends, talking with the grandpa. Could you please tell us the safety measures to practice at home, grandpa? So grandpa is telling, sure, we should learn to put things back in the respective places after using them. So we should not play with knives and scissors. So Ravi is telling, I believe you are getting a call, grandpa. So here is your mobile. So grandpa is telling, thank you Ravi. So I think is my old friend Raghu. So madam. So wow, a nice phone. So Ravi is telling, yes, it is the latest one. 1, 2. So grandpa bought is the last week in Chennai. So Prashant, I hear it works like a supercomputer. So Ravi is telling to grandpa, yes, of course, it is very useful for my projects. So grandpa is telling, so these mobile phones are very useful, but we should use it with care. So you should use it in the presence of adults. So Prashant is telling, tell us about the safety measures while using the internet, grandpa. So grandpa is telling, make yourself cyber safe by not posting your personal information, photos and vacation plans in the social media. So grandpa is telling, from fertilizer and antifreeze. So what is meant by fertilizer? So fertilizer means chemical or natural substances added to land to increase its fertility. So what is meant by antifreeze? A liquid that can be added to water the freezing point. So from the fertilizer and to antifreeze, medicines to makeup kits, medicines and makeup kits, poisonous items to be kept away from the children in our homes. So grandpa is telling, could I have your views on using the medicine effectively? So Ravi is telling, I think we should store all the medicines out of sight and reach of the children. So grandpa is telling good. Medicines should be kept in locked cabinet. So Jafar is telling, I also think pills and syrups should be kept in their original containers, and the leftover pills should always be counted. So grandpa is telling, that's nice idea. So Ravi, so I get it. Medicine should be stored in their original container and we should keep a count to avoid misuse. So grandpa is telling hazardous. So what is meant by hazardous? So dangerous. So grandpa is telling hazardous automotive and gardening products should be secured and kept low. So Devi is telling, Devi is Prashant's friend. So a first aid kit is a must in every household, so which should also have an emergency instruction inside it. So grandpa is telling, it's nice to see kids coming up with the wonderful ideas. So all the children are telling, thank you grandpa for your guidance. So we shall follow your advice and together protect ourselves from danger. So grandpa, it's getting late, so we can talk more tomorrow. Take care children. So children, now we have come to the conclusion. I hope everyone understood this prose lesson. So I think we'll learn about some safety measures so that we should follow in our life. Thank you.